Welcome to the MOTO Freak Channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The ZF8 HP automatic gearbox is an 8-speed automatic transmission developed by ZF Friedrichshafen AG, introduced in 2008. It quickly became a benchmark for automatic transmissions due to its remarkable efficiency, smooth shifts, and wide application across various vehicle segments. History and versions. The ZF8 HP series builds upon the success of the 6 HP, offering improved fuel economy and even faster shift times. It's a modular design, allowing ZF to tailor it to a wide range of torque capacities and vehicle types, from sedans to heavy-duty SUVs and trucks. Key characteristics and improvements over its predecessors. Wider ratio span. The 8 HP offers a significantly wider ratio spread, up to 8.59 in later generations, which allows for lower engine speeds, downspeeding, at cruising velocities, leading to improved fuel economy. Reduced drag torque. Optimized internal components and less engagement of shift elements in any given gear reduce internal friction. Faster shifts. Shift times are as low as 0.2 seconds. Non-sequential shifting. The 8 HP can skip multiple gears, e.g., 8th to 2nd, in extreme situations by only changing one shift element, contributing to quicker and more responsive downshifts. Modular design. This allows for easy integration of hybrid functionalities, mild hybrid to plug-in hybrid options, and compatibility with various all-wheel drive and four-wheel drive systems. Versions are typically denoted by their maximum torque capacity, e.g., 8 HP 45, 415, 8 HP 70, 700, 8 HP 90, 900 m, 8 HP 100, 1000 m. There are also different generations, e.g., first, second, third, and fourth generation introduced around 2022, with continuous improvements in efficiency and design. Cars in which it was installed. The ZF8 HP is incredibly versatile and has been adopted by a vast number of premium, performance, and even some mainstream manufacturers, primarily in longitudinal, rear-wheel drive, and all-wheel drive applications. Some prominent examples include BMW, widely used across almost its entire range, including 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 Series, X1, X3, X4, X5, X6, X7, Z4, and M models, often replacing DCDs in some performance variants. Audi, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, Q5, Q7, Q8, RS6, RS7, SQ5, SQ7, S4, S5, many models. Jaguar, XE, XF, XJ, F-Type, F-Pace, E-Pace. Land Rover, Range Rover, Range Rover Sport, Discovery, Defender. FCA/Stellantis, under license as Torque Flight 8 Chrysler 300, Dodge Charger, Challenger, including Hellcat, Demon, Redeye, Durango, Ram 1500, including TRX, Jeep Grand Cherokee, including Trackhawk. Maserati, Ghibli, Quattroporte, Levant, Gran Turismo. Aston Martin, DB11, Vantage, DBS Superleggera, Rapide. Bentley, Continental GT, Flying Spur, Bentayga. Rolls-Royce, Phantom, Ghost, Cullinan, Wraith Dawn. Toyota, Supra A90. Volkswagen, Phaeton, Amarok. Alfa Romeo, Giulia, Stelvio. Morgan, +4, +6. Review and opinions. The ZF8 HP is almost universally lauded as one of the best automatic transmissions ever produced. Key opinions and reviews highlight exceptional smoothness, seamless and imperceptible shifts in normal driving, contributing to a refined driving experience. Blazing fast shifts. In sport or manual modes, shifts are incredibly quick, often rivaling or even surpassing dual-clutch transmissions. This makes it suitable for high-performance vehicles. Fuel efficiency. Significant improvements over previous 6-speed units, contributing to better overall vehicle economy. Robustness and durability. Generally considered very robust and capable of handling high torque outputs. Many units can last for hundreds of thousands of kilometers with proper maintenance. Adaptability. Its ability to integrate with various engines and drive systems, including hybrids, makes it a highly flexible and desirable transmission for manufacturers. Advantages. Optimal gear ratios. 8 gears allow the engine to operate in its most efficient power band more often. Reduced fuel consumption, achieved through wider ratio spread, reduced internal friction, and early torque converter lockup. ZF claims up to 12% better fuel economy than its 6-speed predecessor. Superior shift quality, smooth and rapid shifts, whether upshifting or downshifting, enhancing both comfort and performance. Versatility. Modular design accommodates a wide range of torque outputs, engine types, gasoline, diesel, hybrid, and vehicle applications, RWD, AWD. Compact size and weight. Despite more gears, it's often similar in size or even lighter than previous 6-speed units. Integrated mechatronics. Combines hydraulic and electronic control for precise and adaptive operation. Disadvantages. Sealed for life, misconception. Similar to the 6 HP, some manufacturers initially claimed lifetime fill. This often leads to neglect, as ZF and experts recommend regular fluid changes. Cost of repairs. Due to its complexity and sophisticated components, especially the mechatronic unit, repairs can be expensive. Sensitivity to fluid condition. Like all advanced automatic transmissions, the 8 HP is highly sensitive to the quality, level, and contamination of its transmission fluid. Torque converter wear. While generally robust, the torque converter clutch can wear over high mileage, especially under heavy loads or aggressive driving, leading to shuddering or slipping. Faults and breakdowns. While generally reliable, the ZF 8 HP can develop issues, often linked to fluid degradation and component wear over high mileage. Harsh or delayed shifts. This is a common symptom and can be caused by contaminated or degraded fluid. Particles in the oil can damage hydraulic controller valves. Mechatronic unit issues, wherein valve body components, sticky valves, or issues with solenoids can lead to incorrect hydraulic pressure or erratic shifting. Software/adaptation issues. Outdated software or issues with transmission adaptations can affect shift logic. Torque converter lockup clutch issues. Shuddering, slipping, or noise during lockup. This can be due to worn friction material or fluid contamination. Fluid leaks. Common leak points include mechatronic sealing sleeve. This electrical connector sleeve can harden and leak, allowing fluid to reach electrical connections, causing communication issues or fault codes. Oil cooler connections. O-rings can deform over time due to heat cycling. Pan gasket. Wear or improper installation can cause leaks. E-clutch assembly wear. This clutch pack, used for gears 2, 3, 4, 6, and 8, can be prone to wear, especially in heavier or high-performance vehicles, often due to oil starvation or flimsy clutch hubs. Sensor failures. Speed sensors or temperature sensors can fail, leading to shifting problems or erratic behavior. Communication errors. U0101 fault codes like U0101. Lost communication with TCM can indicate issues with wiring, fuses, or the TCM itself. Oil, ATF, and oil change. What oil? The ZF 8 HP transmissions require a specific, high-performance synthetic automatic transmission fluid, ATF. The OEM fluid is ZF Lifeguard Fluid 8, often green in color. Car manufacturers typically specify their own part numbers that correspond to this ZF specification, e.g., BMW 8322, 230, 5397, VWG 06016-282/A6, Land Rover LR 023-289, etc. It is absolutely critical to use the correct fluid, as using an incompatible or lower quality ATF can severely damage the transmission. Oil capacity. The total system fill capacity is around September 5th, 10 liters, approximate 10 to 10.5 quarts. However, during a standard drain and fill service, replacing the pan/filter, only about 4.5 to 7 liters are typically replaced, as a significant amount remains in the torque converter and cooler lines. A full fluid exchange flush is required to replace nearly all the fluid. Oil change interval. While some car manufacturers initially listed the 8 HP as lifetime fill, ZF, the manufacturer, strongly recommends a fluid and filter change every 60,000 to 80,000 miles, approximately 90,000 to 120,000 kilometers, or every 8 years, especially under normal driving conditions. For more arduous conditions, e.g., heavy towing, frequent stop-and-go traffic, spirited driving, shorter intervals are advisable. Ignoring this can lead to premature wear and potential transmission failure. Oil change procedure, general guidelines. Warm up. Drive the vehicle until the transmission reaches operating temperature, around 35 to 50 degrees Celsius / 95 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Level surface. Park the car on a level surface. Drain. Remove the drain plug on the transmission oil pan and allow the fluid to drain completely. Remove pan/filter. The 8 HP often uses a plastic oil pan with an integrated filter. Remove the pan bolts and replace the entire pan assembly. Replace sealing components. Crucially, replace the mechatronic sealing sleeves, often referred to as bridge seal, and profile seals or 4 tubes and 1 square figure of 8 seal, and the electrical connector sleeve. These are known failure points that can cause internal pressure loss or leaks. Install new pan. Install the new oil pan with its integrated filter and a new gasket. Initial fill. Add new ZF Lifeguard Fluid 8 or approved equivalent until fluid begins to trickle out of the fill plug, usually on the side of the transmission case. Cycle gears. Start the engine and, with the vehicle stationary and on level ground, cycle the gear selector through all positions, P, R, N, D, and manually through all gears if possible, pausing briefly in each. This helps circulate the new fluid throughout the transmission and torque converter. Temperature check and top-up. With the engine still running and the transmission at the specified temperature, again, 35 to 50 degrees Celsius or 95 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit is critical. Continue to add fluid until a consistent trickle flows from the fill plug. Final tighten. Install and tighten the fill and drain plugs to the manufacturer's specified torque. Adaptation reset. Optional many recommend resetting transmission adaptations using diagnostic software after a fluid change. This allows the transmission control unit to relearn the clutch fill times and shift points with a new fluid, potentially leading to smoother shifts. Proper maintenance, especially timely fluid and filter changes with the correct ZF Lifeguard Fluid 8, is paramount to ensuring the long-term reliability and performance of the ZF 8 HP automatic gearbox. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.